In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get your Cricut to score fold marks when making a print then cut project. You may have noticed that Cricut Design Space is printing and cutting your project but not scoring the fold lines. I'm going to show you how to fix that issue. So here on my screen I have an image, I have some text, and I have a card that folds over. There is also two lines here that are going to be our score lines. So the first thing I need to look at is the text. Now if I select the thank you, you can see over here that it says it's a basic cut. So at the moment the Cricut is going to cut the text. Now we don't want the Cricut to cut the text, we want it to print the text. So to make it print the text, I'm going to select the thank you and then go down to flatten. And you'll notice now that it has become print and cut and not basic cut. I'm going to do the same for Love Jenny. It's a basic cut. And I'm going to click on flatten, and now it's a print then cut. So now I'm just going to place my text and my image on the card where I'd like them to go. Okay, so back to the layers panel, and I want to select everything apart from those two lines that say basic cut. And now I'm going to go to flatten, and now you'll see there's only two layers in the layers panel. We have the two lines and we also have the print then cut. So now what we need to do is go to the two lines, and we need to go to operation and go from basic cut to score. And now you'll see there's dash lines here, so the Cricut is going to score those lines. Now I need to select everything, so those two layers, come down to attach, and then go to make it. So here you can see it says print then cut and score. So what's going to happen is Cricut Design Space is going to prompt you to print the paper out, and then you're going to feed it into the Cricut. It will then make the score lines first with your scoring tool, and then it will go ahead and cut. And this is what the final card looks like after it's been print, scored, and cut. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this has helped you, and I'll see you again in the next video.